What's up, Sushi family? Namaste and greeting from Sushiman Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cook frozen dumplings. Seems like a pro, and it will be a really crunchy, crispy, and delicious. So I bought these dumplings from the Lidl. So if you want to make the dumplings, this video can help you. I already made one full tutorial about how to make dumplings at home. You can check link on my description box. So you will learn step by step how to make dumplings at home. In this package, you will get the soy sauce, 1 chopstick, and 6 dumplings. But how to cook, it will be really interesting, and it will be a more crunchy, crusty, and crispy, and really delicious. Okay, let's put vegetable oil, just a little bit. Then start to put the base of the dumplings. When it's become a golden brown like this, you can add a little bit of water. Then cover it. The sauce is also important. Let's make the sauce. Okay, dumpling sauce also very simple and easy, so you don't need to be worried. Firstly, I'll take around 2 tablespoons of the It's not easy. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'm going to use the rice vinegar also. I'm going to use the 1 tablespoon of the rice vinegar. Yeah, it's done. If you don't have the rice vinegar, you can use lemon juice also, okay? My favorite, sesame oil. And half teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to mix it very well. If you want, you can add the garlic cloves also, and if you want to make a little bit more spicy, you can add the tograssi. But today I'm going to make 2 types of sauce. Okay, firstly, these ones I'm going to keep as a normal, and these ones I'm going to make the spicy one. For the spicy one, I'm going to use the tograssi. It's depend on you how much spiciness you want. This is my normal sauce, and that is my spicy sauce. Okay, then you can wait till the water is finished. So it will be like this. Wow, it's so good. Let's go for the plating. Now I'm going to add the spicy sauce. If you don't like the spicy, you can use the normal sauce also. Then onions. This is our beautiful, crunchy, crispy, and delicious dumplings at home. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Ciao.